Physical wellness is one component of the interconnected 10 dimensions of wellness model used by the Student Life Student Wellness Center to support holistic wellness. The physically well person gets an adequate amount of sleep, eats a balanced and nutritious diet, engages in exercise for 150 minutes per week, attends regular medical checkups, and practices safe and healthy sexual relations. There are many different strategies for supporting your physical wellness. Try to get at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Focus on engaging in physical activity and exercise that feels good rather than out of obligation. There are lots of different activities and ways that you can move your body to engage in for 150 minutes of exercise each week. Eat nutritious, balanced meals that include the 3 macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, as well as fruits and vegetables. Other key nutrients to incorporate in your diet include calcium, iron, potassium, vitamin A, thiamine, riboflavin, vitamin C, vitamin D, fiber, and more. Stay hydrated and drink an adequate amount of water each day. Engage in safer sex practices by using protection such as barrier methods like condoms and/or birth control methods. Be sure to talk to your partners about your plans for protection, consent, and boundaries. Get tested for STIs regularly and talk to your partners about your status. There are several types of STIs that can be asymptomatic, meaning that they won't present with any obvious symptoms. If you are sexually active, it is recommended that you get tested at least once per year, even if you are only having sex with one partner. If you have multiple partners, it can be helpful to get tested every 6 months. Develop healthy, safe, and responsible habits around alcohol and substance use. Develop healthy stress management strategies that do not rely on alcohol or substance use. Finally, attend annual wellness checks or physicals with a primary care physician. It is also recommended that you go to the dentist twice per year and eye doctor once per year whenever possible. Wellness isn't one size fits all. One way to prioritize your physical wellness is to develop a wellness plan that best fits your personalized needs and wants. This can look like creating a student action plan consisting of goals, strategies, and activities that you will incorporate into your life. For example, a sample student action plan for physical wellness can look something like determining personal and professional goals and evaluating how your current sleep, nutrition, physical activity, sexual health, and substance use habits impact achieving those goals. Prioritize your physical health by noticing signs and symptoms of need and accessing the appropriate resources when necessary. And finally, take the time to educate yourself on physical wellness by attending workshops, presentations, and group activities. Students, faculty, and staff can all promote and prioritize physical wellness in and outside the classroom. The physical wellness dimension encompasses a variety of health and well-being topics. We can help students build healthy habits into their daily lives with a few simple adjustments on our end, including building stretch breaks into lectures, hosting walking meetings, encouraging students to take sick and mental health days, and providing healthy alternatives at events with food. Additionally, to create a more supportive environment for students who are in recovery or who choose not to partake in alcohol or other drug use, consider alcohol-free events and activities for community building and networking. We all play an important role in student wellness, and the small adjustments and decisions we make can positively impact a student's lifestyle, setting them up for success while at Ohio State. Some examples of physical wellness activities and promotion in the classroom can include encouraging healthy sleep habits, making project, homework, and exam deadlines at times earlier in the day, for example, between 6 to 7 p.m., to encourage good sleep rather than on Sundays at midnight. As a group, your class could attend a wellness-centered event such as a lecture, fitness class, cooking class, or others, and offer extra credit for attendance. Other activities and strategies can include implementing mid-lecture stretch breaks, starting class with a mindfulness activity or recorded guided meditation, and considering healthy options such as fruits and vegetables, hummus, and salad as opposed to or in addition to pizza, cookies, or other options if you are providing food for meetings, class, or end of semester celebrations. Additionally, some examples of physical wellness activities and promotion outside of the classroom include utilizing a bulletin board to highlight healthy meal modifications, or utilizing a bulletin board to highlight grocery store shopping tips and apps to help save money. Other strategies can include limiting late night programming during school nights, hosting community building activities during meetings, making stress balls during class or meetings, stocking caffeine-free tea options in kitchens, attending group fitness classes together, hosting a healthy living speaker series, and reconsider serving alcohol at events. There are many different resources on campus designed to support physical wellness. To start off, we have several resources available in the Student Life Student Wellness Center. The Student Wellness Center provides education and resources as it relates to students' sexual health choices. These are not abstinence-based programs, rather an opportunity for students to gain knowledge and make decisions around their sexual health choices that work best for them and their future goals. Programs include the Condom Club, which students can join for free to purchase up to 25 condoms a day for $5, as well as HIV and STI testing. The Student Wellness Center partners with a community organization to offer free HIV and STI testing weekly for students to access. The Student Wellness Center also offers presentations on a number of sexual health topics. Additionally, nutrition coaching is a free service through the Student Wellness Center available to all undergraduate, graduate, and professional students who are interested in enhancing their health and well-being. Appointments focus on helping students identify any imbalance in their food intake through a nutrition assessment and exploring ways to optimize nutritional needs. Popular topics of discussion include weight management, meal planning and grocery shopping, body image and eating disorders, food allergies and sensitivities, dietary preferences, diet as it relates to health conditions, and sports nutrition and event training. Finally, we also offer a variety of alcohol, tobacco, and other drug prevention and education services. This collection of services within the Student Life Student Wellness Center focuses on educating students on the responsible use of alcohol and other drugs. Through a number of free group and one-on-one services, students can learn more about alcohol and other drugs in a non-judgmental environment. These are not abstinence-based programs, rather an opportunity for students to gain knowledge and make decisions around their alcohol and other drug use that works best for them and their future goals. Programs include Basics and K6, a one-on-one coaching program focusing on reviewing personal alcohol and other drug choices and making goals to help reduce risky behaviors. Screen U is a quick assessment students can take at any time to assess their behaviors and learn more about resources based on their risk score. Freedom from Smoking is a free 8-week session program designed for students who are ready to quit smoking. The Diversion program is open to all students looking to learn more about their alcohol usage, but is also available for students needing to complete the educational component of the Diversion program. Additionally, the Student Wellness Center hosts the Collegiate Recovery Community, a support community for students in or seeking recovery from alcohol and other drug misuse. Through their dedicated staff, the collegiate recovery community offers weekly support meetings, substance-free events, a sober living house, recovery scholarships, individualized recovery plans, and one-on-one support services. Visit the Student Wellness Center website to learn more about each of these programs and schedule appointments. In addition to our resources at the Student Wellness Center, there are a variety of other student life offices and departments who offer helpful services and resources. Dining Services offers a wide variety of dining options, including grab and go, pre-order through Grubhub, cafes, and traditional cafeterias through their many dining locations across campus. Dining plans are flexible to meet the needs of undergraduate, graduate, and professional students, staff, and faculty. Dedicated staff members are here to meet the dietary needs of Ohio State students through allergy-friendly dining options, halal and kosher-friendly options, and one-on-one appointments with dietitians. Student Life Disability Services is committed to creating an accessible educational experience for students with disabilities. Disability is a broad term that includes but is not limited to mental health conditions, chronic health conditions, temporary injuries, physical disabilities, and learning disabilities. Students register with SLDS to be approved for accommodations. Registration is confidential and does not appear on transcripts. Medical documentation is kept private, and students only notify instructors about their accommodations if they want to utilize accommodations in that instructor's course. Accommodations include note-taking assistance, assistive technology, sign language interpreting and transcribing, housing and dining accommodations, and adaptive transportation. You can visit their website to learn more about accommodation opportunities and the registration process. Student Life Recreational Sports offers members of the Ohio State community an opportunity to live an active life while on campus through 5 recreational facilities: the RPAC, North Recreation Center, Jesse Owens North, Jesse Owens South, the Adventure Recreation Center, the Outdoor Adventure Center, and the McCorkle Aquatic Pavilion, as well as several outdoor parks. Programs and services range from group fitness, aquatics, adventure trips, climbing, fitness and recreation, intramural sports, sports clubs, personal training, a wide variety of equipment, safety training and certificates, the Buckeye Bike Hub, and custom group fitness, fitness-related lectures for classrooms, staff meetings, and more through their Fitness in Motion program. Regional campus students are welcome to take advantage of the Columbus campus facilities for an additional fee. Visit their website to learn more about all that Rec Sports has to offer and hours of operation for each facility. Student Health Services is located on campus in the Wills Student Health Center. The center offers a variety of physical health-related services to support a healthy campus for all, including primary care, vaccine requirements, gynecological services, physical therapy and sports medicine, dental care, medical advice and appointment scheduling, insurance, pharmacy, and more. Each Ohio State student has a personal BuckMD account where they may easily schedule appointments and keep track of their health information online. For questions or assistance with scheduling, call 614-292-4321 or email shs@osu.edu. If you are experiencing a medical emergency, call 911 or go to the nearest emergency room. And finally, since 2007, the College of Pharmacy at The Ohio State University and the Cardinal Health Foundation have partnered to provide open source educational materials that anyone can use to help prevent the misuse of prescription drugs. These ready-to-use resources are designed to provide everything you need to make a presentation or offer a program in your community, school, or college.